Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Samsung TV white spots on screen. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, if you're having problems with your Samsung TV here and you're noticing some white spots on the screen, well in this case there is two things that you can do to probably solve this issue. So the first thing that you could do here is to just basically do a soft reset. Now, what soft reset I'm talking about here? Well, the thing with soft resetting your TV here is you want to drain the power on your TV, which in this case you want to go ahead and plug your TV or Samsung TV, and from then on what you need to do is you just need to wait for a few minutes until the power is fully drained from the TV. Now, usually once you fully drain this, or in this case, once you waited like a few hours or a few minutes, you can go ahead and plug it back into the plug and see if that actually solves the issue. Now, in most cases, that would actually solve your issue, but again, if that does not solve your issue, there's still one more thing that you can do. Now, most likely, if you're having this problem, it's because of the power and energy saving options or settings that you've set up. In this case, you want to go ahead, open up your side panel here, and you want to go ahead and access your settings. Now, in settings, what you need to do here is you want to go ahead and go to the power and energy saving option. Now, you want to look for brightness and optimization, and from here, you want to go ahead and disable that. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and close your settings here, maybe restart your TV or your Samsung TV, and from then on, see if that solves the issue. In this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.